Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sally. Today we're gonna do a SHEIN haul. It's gonna be a mini SHEIN haul, but I do have a couple things to try on for you. So if you like makeup tutorials, unboxings, clothing hauls, I have a lot of those on my channels. Please consider subscribing, like this video before you leave, and let's go ahead and tune into that video. Okay, let's go see what I got. So this was in my cart for months, and I'm telling you, I think I've had this in my cart since the summer, and I haven't been able to pull the trigger because I was like, do I need it? Do I not need it? Do I need it? Do I not need it? I'm trying to be very conscious of what I buy. It's not really going that well. Because when I'm depressed, I buy it, and I'm right now, it's just my mental. Wow. Okay, so anyway, so this is a jean dress. A jean dress, and I've been wanting a jean dress. I wanted one since the beginning of summer, and it is January now. Look at the detail. Like, it has beautiful details into it. Yes, I do have my Christmas nails still on because they have not come off yet, and it is pretty long. It has little pockets on the back. It has this very pretty detailing in the bodice, like, and it's cinched in and then it's cinched out, and best part, it's stretchy. Like, it stretches. Like, it does hold you in, but it stretches. I think this was an extra large, and it was on sale because you know it's not the summer anymore, it's like the winter now. This is by the line the SHEIN Sexy. It was originally $21.49 when I put it in my cart. I got it in the extra large size 12, and it is $17.69 when I got it. I am so excited for this. This is probably the thing that I'm so excited. Okay, let's just try it on. Oh, I love this. Oh, I love this. Oh my goodness. Let me put you down a little bit. Let me scoot you down just a tad. Look at this. Look, it's like the perfect length. Oh my goodness. This is cute. This is so freaking cute. Look at this. Don't mind my mess, okay? I have a mess, okay? Don't mind it. But look at this. Look. 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 This is so cute. You guys, look at the back. It has pockets. I could use this as pockets if I wanted to. Oh, and it is so stretchy. I thought it was going to be so hard to put this. Why are we lopsided here? First of all, rude. Thought it was going to be like so hard put on, and it is so soft. Look at the details. Look at these details. And then it does button. I didn't have to button it or unbutton. I just put it on. I think I can just pop it off. It's so like compresses you in. 110. This is amazing. I love this. I love this so much. Hands down, love this. This is amazing. It's amazing. And then I got a couple things. I did get something from SHEGLAM because this liquid blush looks beautiful. I actually mixed a new e.l.f. Camo blush in Dusty Rose, and then the Juvia's Place, I think it's like a coral red. So I put the coral red on here, the Dusty Rose on here, I mix them together. They're very, very beautiful. This is a liquid blush by SHEGLAM. I love their Laura Lee X SHEGLAM. I think it was in the color Rose Quartz. I think that's the color. This is the color Swipe Right. I think this is like a blossom red color, so it's not going to be super punchy, but it's more like a berry red cut. Look at that beautiful color. It's like a berry red, so it's not super whatchamacallit bright. It will go ahead and just give you a very pretty brush. These are pigmented, but they sheer out like a dream. Like, they are so beautiful, this sheer. Like, you could see that, you can still see like my beauty marks underneath, so you can build it up very beautifully. It does not disrupt the makeup, it does not disrupt the foundation underneath, and it, like, if you put powder over it, you can still see the color. Highly recommend these. They do come in this awesome packaging. Do you see this packaging? Like, it's so beautiful, so nice. And then you just twist it off, and then it has a foamy bit. It's really pretty. I really like these. I went through the whole liquid blush by Laura Lee. I have a little bit left, but yeah, it's really nice, and I think it just comes off. See? It's not hard to come off either, but it will last you all day. It will. I think these are super inexpensive as well. I got in the color is Swipe Right. So I'm really excited about that blush. And the blush was $5.09. Okay, and then I got this, and this is a very pink sweater. Ooh, this is super thick. Oh, this is a lot nicer than the Temu stuff. So this is super thick sweater. Look at this knit material on it, on the sleeves. And then it is a bubble sleeve. I freaking love these sleeves. It looks really cute, actually. I hope it's not itchy because I'm putting it on my neck right now and it's a little itchy. So that's a little disheartening. This is in the size large. And it does have buttons downneath. So you know what? Let's see the price. And then if I don't like it, I think I still have time to return it. And this is $16.18. It is very heavy. And for the price, I would want it to be a little heavy. So it doesn't seem like it's bad material. It actually looks very well constructed. Like the rib material is really nice. It's not cheap at all. Like it actually looks very nice. So let's go ahead and try it on. Okay, look at how comfy this one is. This is cute. I think I'm gonna keep this. I really like the color. It's so warm too, and it's so thick. This material, it's like, it's insanely thick. Really nice. Okay, I have my butterflies back on. But yeah, so it's cute. What do you think? I like the back of it. It's very thick. I'm very warm. I think I'm gonna really like this for work specifically. It's cute. Yeah. Okay, and then I got some accessories, and then I got this chopper that I'll talk to you about. I did get, which I might put on right now. I did get some phone camera lenses, so it's just the protector for the iPhones. I got a pack of 3 for I think $1.97. I think that's what I saw. And yeah, I usually get all my phone accessories at SHEIN or Temu because it's super cheap compared to like Amazon. So, and then I got a veggie chopper for $5. I bought one for my mother for Christmas, and this looked like the same exact packaging from Amazon, which was $25. This was $5. So I'm gonna compare both of them and return one. I want one in my life. My mom doesn't want one. She said, why don't we need this? Make our lives easier, but she wants to chop things the old way. Exactly the same as the $20 one, and this was $5. Just, I don't want to take it out because I want to compare them before, but it's like a veggie chopper. You open the lid, you push it down, it chops the veggies for you. See, that's the pattern right there, and it holds it in this container, and then you get a bunch of like these grates that you can dice the different things, and then this is a shredder, and I think you also get like a mandolay thing, whatever, mandala, and you'll get one. I don't know what this is for, but I literally think it's the same brands, and everyone just drop ships and then they just distribute, and then, you know, because some things that I see on like Amazon, I see the same things on Temu for like $10 less, and it's just, it's insane to me. That was my haul. What did you think of everything? I told you this was going to be a short haul, so I really hope it's editing wise it's very short, but thank you so much for coming. I really do appreciate it. I have a lot of SHEIN hauls, Temu hauls, Fashion Nova hauls, a lot of clothing hauls, makeup tutorials here on my, well, not makeup reviews, not really tutorials, here on my channel. So if you do like this type of content, I really would appreciate if you would hit that subscribe button. I'm trying to reach 3,000 subscribers. When I do reach 3,000 subscribers, we're gonna do a huge giveaway here on the YouTube. Thank you so much for coming. If you wouldn't mind, please give it a huge like. It really does help out my channel so much. It helps YouTube push out this content. Comment down below anything that you would like. I really would love to chat with you down below in the comment section, and don't forget to click that little notification bell before you leave so you can be notified of all my future uploads, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Love you guys. Bye.